We just handled our very first order. However, don't you still think that it would be quite inconvenient every time to open your laptop and accept order, then mark it as ready? It's a bit inconvenient to use a laptop for that purpose. So if you go back to this new orders page, you probably have noticed from the beginning this pulsing button called Download Tablet App. If you click on it, you will be redirected to a app store where Dhruv has this specific orders taking app, which runs on iPhone as well as on iPads. This is a particular app for cashiers that you can place at your desk in a restaurant, and every time a new order comes, you just, with a push of a finger, you can accept orders, you can reject, you can set the time. Very similar functionality that we just earlier did, but in a mobile device, on your iPhone or your iPad, just standing next to you at your work. And this is much more convenient. Let's take a look on it. I'm gonna switch to my iPhone and open the App Store. Go to the search and type in Dhruv Orders Taking app. It should pop up on top. And I already installed the app. Guys, you just go ahead and install it and then open. Once installed, you need to type exact same username and password that you use to log into your Dhruv web app. So the email I used was this one on the onboarding process, and let me quickly type my password. All right, now we're logged in. Before proceeding doing anything, let's go ahead and place one more pickup order. All right, this time let's take a double cheeseburger, a large one with French fries. Gonna put it in a basket, and we can go ahead. It's gonna be a pickup order once again. Gonna click next, leave some tip, and today as soon as possible. This time the customer's name gonna be Nicholas. I'm gonna order as Nicholas now. Payment option as cash, and right, our second order went through. Let's now take a look on the orders taking app. First of all, you get a push notification to your Dhruv app telling that you received a new order. I brought my app to home screen. Let's open it, and you're gonna hear these sounds every few seconds until you accept the order, so that your cashier or your restaurant manager doesn't miss them. Okay, let's accept them, not to hear them anymore. Let's accept the order and give it 10 minutes of the preparation time. Now our order disappeared from the new column. It's now in preparing column. Let's swipe right to see our order, and it has 10 minutes left until it is prepared. Now this interface should be very familiar to you because that's very similar to what we did in the web app, now doing it in the mobile version of it, which is more convenient if you ask me. Let me fast forward it. Now we have 8 minutes left until our order must be ready, and that is exactly what our customers see on their order status view. Now let's get back to our orders taken app and mark this order as ready, and let me show you what our customer is going to see. They see that the order is ready for pickup, and that means they will probably stop by to collect their order now. And now we can go back and mark this order as collected, so we don't see it in this view anymore. And with that, we completed our second order. Furthermore, by the way, we have the opportunity to manage our catalog here from this view. For example, imagine if we're running out of cheese and we don't want to serve double cheeseburger. So if we toggle it, our customers won't be even seeing this option. Or we can disable entire category. Let's say we are running out of buns. We're not going to serve burgers anymore. Or you don't do breakfast menu anymore. So we can quickly and easily toggle. And last but definitely not least, we have this option to connect our Dhruv app to thermal printers. Do you know those small receipt printers? So you have to be on the same Wi-Fi network with your printer, and then you will probably see it in your printer list on the settings section of your app. And there are various models of printers that are possible to connect to the Dhruv app. You can see some of them are shown on the Dhruv's website. Is that Epson TM thermal printers and also Star M printers. The last point, guys, I want to mention regarding this order taking app is if you have an iPad at home, I think you are better off using the iPad version. It looks much more convenient. You can see more orders in one single screen, and it's much easier to manage. So if you have one, you are better off using it. If not, iPhone is going to do the job too.